Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can make your child a flexible thinker. Yes, this is an art that every parent in this modern day must master, because this particular art is something that makes your child reach to the greater height, and only a creative thinker or somebody who can think out of the box can reach to that greater level. He can match and cope up to the modern times. This is why we all parents have to see to it why how we can train our children and make them a flexible thinker. I'm going to tell you two tips here. Watch the video till the end. What happens is, usually most of the parents make a mistake that we talk about business, we talk about thought processes only after the child is turning to a teen, or when the child turns teenage. Only then we talk about these things, about business matters or about something that is related to mind or brain and all that. The right way is to talk and encourage the child at every pace. That is, every stage of life needs that encouragement, and we have to change the thought process accordingly. Even if the child is 5 years old, we need to train them, and we see to it that we make them reach to that level. So going at pace is very important. What are the steps that we can take to make our children flexible thinker? The very first thing is, go to an art museum. Art museum is somewhere that the child can see multiple paintings, multiple designs and drawings, and there try to figure out in a painting how many types of paintings are there. Try to make a small research along with the child. Ask him, and then let him find out in maybe Google or some other research uh, how different types of paintings are incorporated in one single paint. And then go and search for some other paintings related to the same pattern. And also, when you come home, ask him to draw something based on such patterns. Now what happens is, based on his thinking, his creativity increases, and he starts thinking out of the box. Now he feels, okay, how can I relate that pattern into my life and into my art? How can I incorporate all of them? So this is how, in a very small age, the child is able to think differently. What happens is, when the child is thinking differently, his problem solving skills also increase, and he is able to cope up, he is able to engage most of his people or his customers also when he grows up. That is why we need to have these things. Second point, we have to create something new from the old, and this needs to be trained at a very young age. Give a trash, maybe you are using some old clothes, or you are using some old boxes or bottles. Tell the child that I don't need this anymore. How can you make it something new, or how can you reuse it by creating a new version out of it? How, what are the possible ways that we can use it again in a different form? Now the child is thinking differently. He may go and search on YouTube also what can be done, but he is able to come up with his own idea. This is something very easy but profound, very important for parents to follow and understand the principles, understand this concept. So I hope you like this video, a short and crisp video, but it is very, very important in modern days. Before leaving, do subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.